Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there? Or struggled to remember a name that you knew just moments ago? Many people assume these changes are simply a normal part of getting older. But what if some of your everyday morning habits are quietly making your brain work harder than it needs to? The surprising truth is that your brain is especially vulnerable during the first hour after you wake up. The choices you make during this short window can influence your memory, focus, mood, and even your long-term brain health. Today, we'll uncover 7 common morning habits that may slowly damage your brain after the age of 50. And, more importantly, the simple changes that can help protect your mind for years to come. 2024. Make sure you stay until the end, because habit number 7 is one of the most overlooked mistakes, yet many neurologists believe it can have a lasting impact on brain health. As we grow older, our brains naturally change. Blood flow may become less efficient. Communication between brain cells can slow down. Sleep patterns often become lighter, and the brain becomes more sensitive to stress, dehydration, and poor nutrition. The good news is that your brain is remarkably adaptable. Healthy daily habits can support memory, concentration, and mental clarity well into later life. That's why your morning routine matters. Small choices repeated every day can either support your brain or slowly work against it. Let's begin with the first habit. Many people leave the house with nothing more than a cup of coffee. While this may save time, your brain has been working all night repairing cells, organizing memories, and preparing for a new day. When you wake up, it needs energy. Going too long without eating may leave some people feeling tired, unfocused, or irritable. Instead of skipping breakfast entirely, choose a balanced meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Foods like eggs, plain yogurt, nuts, oatmeal, or fruit can provide steady energy without causing a rapid spike in blood sugar. A nourishing breakfast helps your brain stay alert and ready for the day ahead. But breakfast isn't the only thing your brain needs. The next habit may surprise you. For many people, the phone is the very first thing they see every morning. Emails, social media, breaking news, messages. Within minutes, the brain is flooded with information before it has fully awakened. This constant stream of stimulation may increase stress and make it harder to focus on the rest of the day. Instead, give yourself the first 15 to 30 minutes without unnecessary screen time. Stretch. Open the curtains. Take a few deep breaths. Enjoy a quiet breakfast. Giving your brain a calm start may help improve focus and reduce mental overload. And speaking of movement, many people unknowingly make another mistake that affects brain circulation. Some people wake up, eat breakfast, and then remain seated for hours. The brain depends on healthy blood flow to receive oxygen and nutrients. Light movement in the morning, such as walking, stretching, or gentle exercises, can help wake up both the body and the mind. You don't need an intense workout. Even a 10 to 15-minute walk around your neighborhood or home can leave you feeling more alert and energized. The goal isn't exhaustion, it's activation. But movement alone isn't enough. What you expose your brain to also matters. Natural morning light helps regulate your body's internal clock. Without enough sunlight, some people feel sleepy during the day and have difficulty sleeping at night. Morning sunlight also supports healthy sleep-wake cycles, which play an important role in memory and overall brain function. Try stepping outside for a few minutes after waking. Open your curtains. Sit near a bright window while having breakfast. Small amounts of natural light each morning can make a meaningful difference over time. But there's another habit that quietly affects brain performance every single day. Sugary cereals, sweet pastries, donuts, large amounts of sweetened drinks. These foods may provide a quick burst of energy, but that boost often doesn't last. As blood sugar rises and then falls, some people experience tiredness, hunger, or trouble concentrating. Choosing foods with protein, whole grains, and healthy fats may help provide more stable energy throughout the morning. Your brain performs best when its fuel arrives steadily, not all at once. Now let's look at the final habit. It's simple, but many people underestimate its importance. Many people believe only the body needs exercise. The brain does too. If every morning follows exactly the same routine without any mental challenge, your brain misses opportunities to stay active. Simple activities like reading a few pages of a book, solving a crossword puzzle, learning a new word, practicing a language, or even writing in a journal can help keep your mind engaged. You don't need hours. Just 10 minutes of focused mental activity each morning can become a valuable habit over time. Keeping your brain active is one of the best investments you can make for healthy aging. Growing older doesn't automatically mean losing your memory or mental sharpness. Many everyday habits influence how well your brain functions, and the good news is that small changes can add up over time. Drink water after waking. Eat a balanced breakfast. Limit early screen time. Move your body. Get natural sunlight. Reduce added sugar. Challenge your mind every day. These simple habits may help support memory, focus, and overall brain health for years to come. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which morning habit do you think is the hardest to change? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-understand, science-based health videos. And if you want to continue improving your health naturally, be sure to watch our next video on 10 everyday foods that help protect your brain after 50. Remember, a healthier brain isn't built in a single day. It's built through the small choices you make every morning.